The Leaning Tower of Pisa, located in the city of Pisa, Italy, is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Standing at an inclination of approximately 4 degrees from the vertical, this architectural marvel has intrigued and fascinated visitors for centuries. Construction on the tower began in 1173 and was originally intended to be a freestanding bell tower for the nearby Pisa Cathedral. However, as the tower reached its third level, it became evident that it was leaning to one side due to a weak foundation and the soft ground it was built on. Construction was halted for almost a century due to wars and political unrest, allowing the tower's foundation to settle. The tower's distinctive lean is what makes it truly unique. It stands at a height of around 55 meters and consists of 8 levels, each adorned with elegant arches and columns. The white marble exterior adds to its visual appeal and grandeur. Despite its leaning position, the tower has managed to defy gravity and stand for over 8 centuries. Various restoration efforts have taken place over the years to stabilize and preserve the structure. In the late 20th century, extensive measures were taken to prevent further leaning and ensure its long-term stability. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa continues to attract millions of visitors from around the world. Climbing the tower's spiral staircase provides a thrilling experience and offers panoramic views of the surrounding Piazza dei Miracoli, Field of Miracles, and the city of Pisa. Beyond its architectural peculiarity, the Leaning Tower of Pisa has become a global symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance. It serves as a reminder that even our greatest endeavors can be subject to unexpected challenges, yet with determination and skilled craftsmanship, we can overcome them. Visiting the Leaning Tower of Pisa is not just an opportunity to witness a renowned architectural anomaly but also a chance to appreciate the resilience and enduring spirit of human achievement. It stands as a testament to the power of human creativity and the timeless allure of iconic landmarks. Like, share, and subscribe.